Hello friends, welcome to Dharni Ayurveda. Today we will learn how to get rid of wrist pain at home. If you have pain in your wrist, you should rest it and keep it raised as much as possible. Exercise after taking a bath or shower with hot water so that your wrist is free from stiffness. If there is a lot of swelling in the wrist, you should not exercise. Apply pressure to the wrist with the help of bandage. Take breaks during activities that increases pain. Whenever you are typing, stop to rest your hands for a while. Hold the wrist in a circular motion with the thumb and index finger opposite to it and press it hard for 3 to 5 seconds. First of all, straighten your palm and spread it and then rotate the wrist in a circular motion. First of all, keep both your hands in the posture of Namaskar. Keep your hands together and apply slight pressure. Place your hands on your back in Namaskar Mudra. Keep your fingers pointing downwards instead of upwards. Stay in this mudra until you feel comfortable. Straighten your palm and spread it. Now move your wrist in a circular motion. By doing some simple remedies, you will get relief from wrist pain.